Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can hide your live chat on Instagram. So for instance, this is what you can do if you want to go live and you want to turn off the chat. So go and go live. I'm just going to set mine to practice so nobody can see. I'm just going to go live now, and then once you have gone live, as you can see, there are 3 dots next to the comment section. You are going to select the 3 dots right here, and then you are just going to select turn off commenting. You can also add moderator, turn off requests to go live, and turn off questions if you'd like. But that's pretty much how you can hide your live chat on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!